do on the kicker, competition kickers, the kicker, high performance bass. This is a review of the competition kicker comp R's from Kicker. High performance bass, 212's. I'm about to unbox this baby and see what it do. These are some good speakers right here. So let's unbox them and check them out. All right. Also, I have a kicker amp to go with this purchase I made. The amp pushes 2,000 watts, which is good for this because you're going to need a nice size amp to make these speakers hit the way you want them to. Let's see what's going on in this box right here. Ooh, brand new. Everything fresh. Came with some stickers. You know what I mean? This is what it comes in the box. With some screws. Alright. Comp R. This is a subwoofer enclosures. See what this stuff is right here. Alright. I don't know why it's showing one speaker but on this picture right here, but this is 212's. Comes with some cool stickers, as you can see. Kicker. Let me use this for something else. Kicker's tech support can assist you if you have any problems with the speakers, I guess. Call this number on this paper right here, and they can assist you. Thank you for your new kicker purchase. U.S. customers only. USA, baby. That's right. All right. See what's going on here. I'm gonna set these down in the background. Sorry. Guys, let's get ready to see what these babies look like. Well, it comes with some handy dandy screws too. Bag screws. Nothing major. I think this is like for the amp, if I was to put the amp. Or they might be supports to stabilize the kicker box to your car, to your vehicle, wherever you're gonna put them. Okay, see what these babies look like. Comes in a nice little gift wrap box. I'm just gonna tear the whole box apart.
Okay. Like, cut it through here? You want to cut it or no? I'm slipping.
Alright. We can leave them like that, right?
It's recording. It's recording.
Okay, yeah, so. Hey, I didn't know I was being recorded. Check it out. What's that lady in my video? Alright, so. Taking this heavy monster out of the box. Comes in a whole pillow sleeve. Looks like, guys. So, once I find the inches, which I think is so, these are my kickers, guys, the competition R's. Brand spanking new out the box. Unboxing these babies. Lots of power. I think it's about 2,000 watts of power, if I'm not mistaken. 1,000 watts each speaker. 2,000 watts max handling. Peak power is 2,000 watts. I had these in another vehicle that I previously owned. I used to own the Volvo. And these things pack a lot of punch. But now I'm about to put the brand new ones I received, which the old ones wasn't really too bad, but my daughter kind of poked them with a flathead, so she messed them up. So I have warranty on them. Don't tell nobody. But I received some brand new ones. So here we go. This is the back of the speaker right here. This is what it looks like. Chromed out. And you want to use, FYI, good wiring. Don't buy cheap wiring when trying to install these kickers, because you won't get the maximum punch out of your, you won't get the maximum push or punch. You want quality. So these are quality speakers. So you need to buy some quality wires to go and to suit the punchness. And I actually have my 2,000 watt amp kicker amp, which I'm gonna show you in the last part of the video, which is good too. And that amp pushes these speakers. I couldn't really find too many amps that will push these speakers, which I did try a couple out. They did not work. But I would definitely recommend the kicker amp for sure. So let's see what this looks like sideways. Oh well, on the original side that's supposed to set. It looks pretty good. The box is not super duper big. We have stitching on the top of it. If you can see right here, it says kicker R competition. Stitched in real nice with detail. Looks real nice. I love these speakers. It has red stitching on the inner lace of the speaker with the kicker at top. Comp bar on the side. Has a space for the air to come out, and you can hear the bass real nice and quality sound to the bass. These speakers particularly were about $250 when I purchased them. Now I guess they realized how good the speaker was and that they were selling a lot of punch for a little amount of money. They went up actually, so now they're $450. So if I was you, if you catch a sale on these speakers, whether they're used, just make sure everything is intact, fine. It definitely would be worth your purchase, because other than my daughter puncturing the speakers, these speakers lasted about a long time. I had them about 2 years before I had to replace them. I had actually changed cars, and I had to store my speakers to my house, and my daughter damaged them. But you see me, I'm back. I'm about to put these in my new car, in the round fly, and let's get it going, baby. Competition R's. Best speakers I ever had, hands down.